Alright everyone. So in the last video we have learned about one of the very important concept in a programming language is a variable. Now let's see some more concept associated with variables like what are the operations we can do with variables, plus statements, expression. So let me define one variable. Let's say my underscore age. Let me give, let's say 28. Now I know that let me execute this one first. So this is 28. Now if you don't get any confusion, let me just restart this IPython shell. So all variables will get removed, and in this video we'll just concentrate on this my underscore age only. Alright. Now I know that my brother, he is 5 years elder to me. Now suppose I want to create a new variable. Let's say bro underscore age, and I want to add 5 to my age. I can do one thing like 28 plus 5, or I can do in a better way. Let's say my underscore age plus 5. So this way on the top of variable you can do such a kind of manipulation. So it will add this 28 to 5, and eventually I get my bro's age. So let me just execute it. Now if you observe here, in a very technical and a programming term, this part on the right hand side where we are evaluating the expression, so that is called as an expression, whereas this complete line is called as a statement. So this is the statement, whereas something mathematically, logically, programmatically you are trying to evaluate, which is nothing but an expression, or I would say mathematical or a logical expression. So that is the difference I want to highlight here. What is expression here and what is statement here. And this way you can do all those kinds of manipulation. Suppose I have my sis also. So my sis age is, she is 2 years younger to me. So let's define sis and my age minus 2 in this case, because she is younger than me. Let's say sis underscore age, and let me just execute it. So you can see sis age will be 26. I am 28, and my bro is elder to me, so he is 33, 5 years elder to me. So this way you can do manipulation on different variables. Alright, now there are other ways I want to show you how you can define this variable. So we have defined this variable like my age 28. Now suppose I want to define the age of all 3 members of my family in a one single line only. So I can just write all those variables. Let's say my age, my bro age, and let's say my sis age. Let's say my age will be 20. So I can just keep putting in a comma separated value. 30 will be my bro's age, and 25 will be my sis age. And if I just execute it, respectively 20, 30 and 25 will be assigned to my underscore age, bro underscore age, and a sis underscore age. Alright, so you can see bro underscore age will become 30, then 20, sis underscore age will become 25. So this is also another way to define your variable. There is one more way you can do the manipulation, expression, evaluation. Let's say my age, let me define one variable. Let's say my age is 28. As per, let me write a comment here, in 2020. Now suppose I want to get my age in 2021 in the next line. So I can just simply use like my age is equal to my age plus 1, and you can see what happens. Oops, so we haven't defined my age, so let me define it first, and let me just increment it. So now my age is 29 instead of 20. But while doing this thing, incrementing, or you are doing manipulation on a same variable after assignment to the same one, you can do another way also. So you can use like my age Now instead of writing this my age again, you can just simply assign to 1 and put the plus sign here. That is called as a augmentation operator. So if I just try to do it, which is exactly equivalent to this one, you can see my age now will become 29 to 30. Alright, so you can see 30. You can even do the multiplication also. So if I just try to do multiply, now if you multiply by 1 it will remain same, so let's just multiply by 2 and you can see 30 will become 60. So this is equivalent to my age is equal to my age multiplied by 2. So this way easily you can write it, and that is called as a augmentation operator. Alright, so that is all about what I want to discuss about the variable in this video. See you into next video. We are getting started with one of the very important data types are available in any programming language, like a string, and all those manipulation you can do on the top of string we will subsequently see in upcoming videos.